Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to uninstall Mac apps. Here are 2 ways to uninstall an app in macOS. Launchpad offers a convenient way to delete apps that were downloaded from the App Store. To open Launchpad, click in the dock or open it from your Applications folder, or pinch with 4 fingers on your trackpad. Click and hold an icon for a few seconds and it'll start wiggling with an X button on top of it. Click the X button and it'll be uninstalled. If an X doesn't appear on your app, the next step is to uninstall it using Finder. Go to Applications folder and find the app you want to uninstall. Right-click on it and click Move to Trash. If you're asked for a username and password, enter the name and password of an administrator account on your Mac. To delete the app, choose Finder, right-click on the trash icon from the dock, and click Empty Trash. Remember that once you uninstall an app, there's no going back, so make sure you're not uninstalling something that you may need in the future. Do you download apps from the App Store or prefer third-party providers from the internet? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.